Hi guys, my name is Faisal. Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Max. Price, specification, release date and news. Today we are going to share our new upcoming smartphone of the Xiaomi brand, whose name is Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Max. Nowadays, those who use mobile phones in life, that person must be known that Xiaomi is the most popular and favorite mobile company in the world, and also know that Xiaomi is a Chinese designer and manufacturer of consumer electronics and related software, home machine and household items, founded on 6 April 2010. Behind Samsung, it is the second largest manufacturer of smartphones, most of which run the MUI operating system software development. The Xiaomi company provides many big flagship mobile, middle-class phones, and low-budget high-performance phones every year, so customers are waiting for the new smartphone of the Xiaomi brand. We are trying to seriously describe the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Max release date, full specification, and price. So stay with us and continue video this content. After knowing viral news of a Xiaomi flagship smartphone, every people who love Xiaomi mobile, they are searching for the exact release date of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Max, but we are sorry to inform you that there is no official release date available for this smartphone. The expected release date of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Max is 15 March 2023, or it may late release for future updates or company issues. First, we are talking about display. The Xiaomi upcoming smartphone Redmi Note 13 Pro Max comes with a 6.9-inch Super AMOLED full touchscreen display, which is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass. The good news for the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Max mobile lover: this mobile uses display resolution of 1440 by 3200 pixels in the display section. This mobile also uses always on display, which is very helpful for an active user. After briefly describing the display, now we are going to share another very important part of this special phone, whose name is the camera. On the camera section, Xiaomi added a core 200 megapixel primary lens, 32 megapixel ultra wide lens, plus 16 megapixel wide sensor, plus 5 megapixel depth sensor as back camera. For selfies, it has a dual 108 megapixel plus 24 megapixel camera. Regular camera features like Zeiss optics, LED flash, panorama and HDR are added. Now you can easily pick a picture or selfie by using front cameras. The battery is a very important part of a good smartphone. So the Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Max uses a 6790 mAh polymer type non-removable battery for its long-time service. After charging one time, you don't need a charge for at least 44 hours. The fast battery charging is a common special feature for a flagship device. So this phone included 65-watt quick battery charging features. Nowadays, when a customer wants to buy a new smartphone, they are first checking the memory capacity of the phone. The memory means RAM, ROM, internal storage, and an extra micro SD card. The Xiaomi upcoming phone Redmi Note 13 Pro Max comes with 12GB RAM and two variants, 256GB and 512GB ROM, and internal storage by using a micro SD card up to 1TB. On the operating system section, this smartphone added Android 13. The powerful Qualcomm Snapdragon 898 plus 5G mobile platform makes this smartphone very fast. The Xiaomi smartphone uses GSM, CDMA, HSPA, EVDO, LTE, 5G as the network technology. The sensor is an important part of a good smartphone. So Xiaomi upcoming mobile uses the latest sensor technology, and their name is fingerprint under display. Ultrasonic. The official Redmi Note 13 Pro Max GSM Arena price is not available for the upcoming smartphone. The Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Max price will be started from $350 expected. Thanks for staying with us a long time and visiting Xiaomi Redmi Note 13 Pro Max. Price, specs, feature, design, concept, rumors, review, pre-order, buy online, release date. If you have any question about the Xiaomi upcoming flagship device Redmi Note 13 Pro Max, just ask a question by using the comment box. We will try to reply to your comments with valuable information. Thanks.